Good morning, students. This video is about SQL. SQL, it means Structured Query Language. It's the most popular query language used by major relational database management systems such as MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. In this video, I am going to show you how to create tables and insert data in SQL. For this purpose, I am using Android SQL app so that you can use it in your smartphones. So let's begin. Now click on the SQL app which you have downloaded. Click on the right corner. Click on database. Type the name of the database. I have written student here. Click on the save button. Your database is created. Now click on this corner where there is written test. The student database will appear here. Click on the database. Now your database is changed into student database. Now click on the table. At present it shows this database is empty. There is no table. Click on the query. For creating table, we have to write create table class 11 name character, let's say 15 characters, then roll number, data type is int, admission number, again the data type is int. Click on the arrow. This shows that this command is activated. To check this command, click on the table. Now this shows there is class 11 table. Click on the table. Your command is displayed here. It's describing the structure, that is describe class 11. In class 11 table there are 3 columns: name, roll number and admission number. And at that time there is no row in this table. We have only created the structure of the table. To insert the data in the table, again click on the corner. Click on query again. Type the query for inserting the data. Insert into class 11. Then the name of the columns, name, roll number, admission number. Values, we have to type the name within single inverted commas. Roll number 1 and admission number 1212. Close the bracket. Put semicolon and then click on the arrow. Your command is activated. Now check the table again. Class 11. This shows one row of data in this table. Select star from class 11. This is the command which shows that in this table there is one row of data. Name Anu, roll number 1 and admission number 1212. In the same way, we have to insert as much data as we want in the table. So, I have shown you 2 commands: how to create the table and how to insert data in the table. Hope you understand this. So please practice. Thank you.